Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to mute other story in your WhatsApp. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your WhatsApp. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your WhatsApp. Here I go. At the bottom, you can see different options. Go to the option status. Now here you can see that one of my friend has put this story. Firstly, you have to check that story. Now at the top right corner, you will be seeing three dots. Tap on that. Now you can see the option mute. Tap on that. Again, tap on mute. You can see that I have easily muted the story of my friend. If someone's story is bothering you, you can easily mute that story. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.